Now, before you judge me, I'm just making things work. I didn't say I was being safe. So anyway, we got this. Yeah. Why didn't it fit right in the first place? Because it didn't. No, I don't know. But anyway, that took the gap clean out of it. Pat myself on the back for leaving my random junk laying around because it sometimes comes in use. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this tacked up and put up some wind blocker because it's too windy to actually weld this right now. I'll either wait till it dies down or weld it now. I don't know. We'll see. Alrighty then, we got that done. But there's something in my way. Oh, it's 15-foot high tires. And that, my friends, I don't know if you can see that. Daddy can't feel that. Well, I can feel it. I can't feel it. I need to need to work on my words. Over here is all right, but because the tires are all set back. So what I'm gonna do, and you're not gonna tell anybody, we don't talk about this. I'm gonna stick the jack up here. I'm not gonna put a lot of pressure on it because I've seen what happens when these guys go. I'm so dry. Anyways, so we're gonna stick the jack up in there and just see what happens. I mean, that's all you can do in this life, just see what happens. Again, do not tell my wife. She thinks I'm being extra safe right now. I've got safety glasses on. I got steel toe boots on. I got my band-aids on my boo-boo. You know, we're good. I'm being safe. Safety glasses are on my head, not on my eyes. It's still on. I'm gonna pick this jack up with my back, not my knees. Oh my god. It worked. Alright, let's do this quickly. I don't like none of this. Oh, I'm so scared. Ow! God bless America. Woohoo! That was hot. Yeah! That's a hole in my hand. I just love dirty metal. It is just my favorite thing. Alright, let's get this off here for the safety police see me. Did it work? Was it worth the hole in my hand? Let's find out. Yeah, it worked. All right, we're gonna cover these tires up. I have some fireproof material. You always want your fire blankets if you're gonna be welding, you know, near tires or anything like that. You do not want, you know, what is that called? Slag. You don't want slag on that. Got a lot of dirt in my mouth there. All right, that looks decent, guys. You wouldn't even know. Once this is done and painted, you will not know I've been here. You'll know. All right, so we got the dress on the old girl. As you can see on the other side, I had a pretty fun time because the other side was so caked with rust. It was, oh man, flashbacks here. Really sucked, just to say the least. So anyway, our safety precautions are in place. We got a good ground. The wind finally died down, like just perfectly. There it picks up again. I had to say something. So we've got to the point now where she's about ready to weld. I think I'm gonna do the hardest part first, which is the overhead, because you don't want all that feel good of doing all those pretty welds and then you just gotta go to the overheads and you don't want to. So just gonna bite the bullet, stick my head underneath this thing and get roasted on a new level. Oh, I did my cap. Cool. Yeah. clouds, Weldon. What do you think of my life choices here? Alright, let's finish this puppy. Well, folks, it's all said and done. Got everything welded, got all the overheads done. A massive gap filled back there because half the post was rust, so I ended up having to eat through the rust. Finding good metal, then welding it. That was fun. Small patch up front there for the hole that it was my oversight, and the price will be adjusted because I'm just that type of person. Yeah, that was about it. I mean, it took about 4 or 5 hours. It won't look that long on camera, but it took a minute. Thanks for sticking around. If you stuck around this long, if not, I understand, because I click away from videos like this sometimes too. But I still appreciate y'all clicking the video in the first place. This is Will with Our Knight's Heyday. Have a fantastic day.